So, welcome to my channel and welcome to Phuket town, and that's where I'm at right now. And what I thought I'd do is do a little bit of a walking tour here, kind of see what's going on. It's really cool because the vegetarian festival is happening right now, and there's a lot of things that are taking place here throughout the city, at least in the old part of the town. And gonna go around and kind of explore, and you can see how beautiful this town is, and it's very historic. Yeah, this is what you call, the streets are pretty tight here, and this time of day fair amount of traffic. But look at these buildings, just look at them. You got that Sino Portuguese structure to it. Building right here. It's like a custom tailor since 1971. They got a restaurant below it. That had to be the most intense parade that I've ever been to. If you've never been to one of those here, you gotta go. So worth it. See, I'm gonna go up here and make a left, go down this road. Let's see, I gotta make my way through here. This is the I call this the Instagram photo. Has to be the most popular place in Phuket to get photos. Very popular spot. See how tight this street is. Luckily you don't have any cars going down it. And see, it's lined with restaurants, souvenir shops. As you can see, Mercedes right there. I don't see too many of those around here. At least there's no shortage of getting water. I think my ears are blown this morning from all the fireworks, the firecrackers today. That was intense again. Definitely you have to wear some type of sunglasses or safety glasses because that stuff goes like everywhere. So let's go take a look at this temple, which is right behind Phuket Old Town. These are all, I love visiting Buddhist temples because the architecture is just so incredible. Obviously I'm not going to be able to go inside, but at least I can get on the outside. But look at that. It's so beautiful. So happy to be able to get to see this. I've been into a number of them, all over. I spent a lot of time in temples when I went to Laos. Okay, here's a little side view. Yeah, they got some kind of construction going on inside, you know, refurbish. You know, the weather around here, you constantly got to keep them, you know, clean and updated. So I'll make my way out to the other side of the road here. Get a view from the other side. Got the sun behind it. That's a good one. A different view. Yeah, I just left that temple, and now I'm gonna head over here. Called, this is actually went through a little bit of Phuket Old Town already. This is called the Dabuk Walkway. Sales. Of course, Halloween is coming up. So you go from a temple to souvenir shop. What do you think about that? A lot of folks out. Kind of deep through. So I'm actually going to make my way to this shrine, which is very popular during the vegetarian festival. So I'm actually back on Talang Road, and I know where I'm going. I got a purpose. Let's see, coming up to the roundabout. This is probably one of the busiest areas right here, and I'll show you what I mean. Yeah. At least this time of day, maybe. Gonna go up here and kind of loop around to the right. Because I know the shrine is this way. So it looks like they have this part of the street. This is part of the vegetarian festival. Closed off, which is good. I don't have to worry about cars and motorcycles running me over. And I'm actually, the shrine is down this way, but you get to see some vendor stuff, food, plenty of it. And this is what they do all week long, over a week actually. I'm kind of walking a little bit quickly. It's sold here. Mainly Thai food, Chinese food, you know. All good. I love it. Love it. Everything of it. Although I just had a good meal near my hotel. There's a really nice Thai restaurant, like right around the corner. Like some kind of a soybean, right? I think that's soybean. These are chestnuts, actually. We've got here. So I make those. This is wonton. How quick he does that. Put them right there. Come on, grill. That one's done. And he packs it. Look at that. That's cool. Okay. Go see what this shrine is like. These are always interesting to visit. Here's here.
สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีลูกค้าทุกท่านเลยเนี่ยที่จะเลือกซื้อสินค้าที่ร้านเจ้าคูซอของเราที่นี่ค่ะวันนี้ค่ะจะเจอกัน
Now I saw some of these in the parade today. That was like toward the tail end of it. Okay, left that shrine. That was really cool to see. I always like to go inside the shrines. It's so neat to explore. A good selection here. Pad Thai, like ramen noodles. That is soy, I believe. Black bean. Down, lamb crop. So, what do you think about this little walk I'm doing in Phuket town? If you made it to the end of this, toward the end of this video, which I'm almost done with my little walking tour. I just love doing this again. I can't tell you how much I enjoy doing walking tours. They're just so fun to do. Okay, keep going here. Another little shrine action. Check out. What a day. I call it an exploring day. See the entrance. See what's obviously this one is not as active as the other one, but still nice to see. There's the main entrance, I believe. These, I believe, were used in the parade today. So this is the Shrine of Serene Light, Tin Quang Tang. This is the end of this video of my walking tour here in old Phuket town, and it's really cool because I saw a temple, a couple shrines, saw some local action, and that is my hotel, which is the memory of the Anand Hotel, and it is a very famous one. It's the oldest hotel in Phuket town, built in 1929. It's really been a treat to stay here. So if you want to see the complete tour of that video, I'll leave it below. But in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video. So I'll see you from Phuket Town, Thailand. Later.